Welcome to this video, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can make money from Fiverr with no skin. I mean with zero skill. So if this is what you want, then stay to the end of this video as I'm going to walk you how you can actually make money from Fiverr. You know, Fiverr is a platform where you offer freelancing services. If you're a web designer, you are a video editor, you are a book editor, or whatever skill that you have, you can offer all of those skills on Fiverr and you get paid for doing all of those things. And on Fiverr, there are a lot of things that you can do and make money from all of those things, all of those skills. But the amazing thing is, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on Fiverr with zero skill. Yeah, you heard me well. I'll be showing you how you can make money on Fiverr with zero skill. So if you go to the description of this video, you're going to see a link where you can use to sign up an account on Fiverr. It's completely free. You're not paying for anything. So that is the first step you need to take by signing up an account on Fiverr. And before we get started, I want to tell you something, that this is something that can make you a lot of money. So it's not something that you do as a side hustle. But meanwhile, at the beginning, you can do it as a side hustle while you are starting making money from the platform. Then you can go into it as a full-time business for yourself. So let's get started. So the number one thing you need to know here, that we are in the era of AI, meaning AI has actually taken over the internet, and there are a lot that you can do basically with AI. That is why I told you that in this video I'll be showing you how you can actually make money on Fiverr with zero skill, and I'm going to show you a secret that you are going to use on Fiverr. So but before we get started, I have to first log in into my account so that I can show you how you can do all of these things and see that I'm also into this stuff that I'm about to show you. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to join, and you are seeing the join on my screen right here. You are seeing join on my screen. So that is the first thing you need to do. The first thing is to join. You are seeing the join. So when you come down to this place, you click on join. Then you are going to sign up an account. Like I told you, it's completely free. You are not paying to sign up an account on Fiverr. Are you getting me? You are not paying a dime to sign up an account on Fiverr. And once you click that join, it's going to bring you to a surface like this. My network is a bit slow, where you are going to automatically sign up an account, either with your email address and your full name and all of that, or better still, you can just go ahead and use your Google to sign up an account, or your Facebook account to sign up an account on Fiverr, and you are good to go. But I have an account already on Fiverr, so what I'm going to do is to just go straight and sign up an account on Fiverr so that you can see how it is when you sign up an account, and how your dashboard is going to look like when you sign up an account on Fiverr. So I'm going to sign up an account on Fiverr right now. I'm going to click on sign in, and if you have an account already on Fiverr, you can just go ahead and click on sign in. Then you can go ahead to sign up an account on Fiverr. So I'm going to sign in with my Google, that is my Google account, to sign up an account on Fiverr so that you can take a look at how your dashboard is going to look like. And when you sign up an account on Fiverr, you are definitely going to have two different kind of dashboards. You're going to have the one of a seller, you're going to have the one of a buyer. So I'm going to sign up so that I can walk you through how your dashboard is going to look like when you sign up an account on Fiverr. And the sign up is very quick and straight to the point. So you can see that I want to sign up. I want to pick my email that I'm going to use to sign up an account on Fiverr. I've clicked on my email. So we are going to wait a bit. You see that it has signed me up, and you can see on the screen right here where it says welcome back, Osakwe. You see that is very quick and easy. That is very quick and easy to sign up an account on Fiverr or to log in. You can see that I've logged in into my account, and we're going to wait a bit once it completes loading so that you can see what I'm talking about. So you can see that this is my account right here, and you can see that I've gotten some messages on my Fiverr account when I was actually active using this Fiverr account. And you can see, like what I told you, that you have two kind of dashboard. You can see I can switch to selling. If I have something that I want to sell on Fiverr, I can switch to selling. If I want to buy, I can also switch to buying. But right now, my account is on the buying dashboard. But if I want to switch to listing my services, I will go ahead and switch it. So you can see that there are a lot that you can do on Fiverr right here. There are a lot that you can do, and you can see people listing their services, some $95, some $100, and so on and so forth. And this is what you can do, and I'll be showing you all of these things right here in this video. So you can see this one $250, this one $400, this one $195, and so on and so on. And these are things you can do right from the comfort of your home right here or wherever location you are. But before I show you the deep things, I want to show you, let's quickly see if you can switch this account to seller so that you can see how the seller dashboard can also look like, also look like, so that you can see the differences on what you need to do and how you can do all of this stuff right here. So you can see these are my informations and all. You see that I've gotten some inquiry concerning my services and all of that. So you can just go straight ahead to open account on Fiverr, and you are good to get started on Fiverr. And it's completely free, and anybody can join this platform, and anybody can make money from Fiverr. Anybody can make money from Fiverr. So there is no restriction. Either you are in Nigeria, you are in Ghana, you are in Kenya, any country you are, you can jump into Fiverr and you get started with doing something on Fiverr. So you can see that I can switch to buying if I want to buy, because right now my account is on selling. I can switch to buying. Then if you want to do that, just click switch to buying. You see that I've switched back to buying. Initially it was on selling, but right now you can see my account that I've switched to buying. Now let's go to the main stuff. Why I want to talk about this video, how you can actually make money from Fiverr. Now you know we are in the era of AI, and so many things can be done or can be handled by AI machines, and all of these things are things you can do with zero skill. Yes, with zero skill you can do all of these things. So what you need to do, the secret is that when you come to Fiverr, you sign up an account as a service seller, that you have services that you want to sell on Fiverr. You have skills that you want to sell on Fiverr, just the way all these people listed their services, what they can do on Fiverr, the services they can offer on Fiverr. So you come down to Fiverr and you list your services. So when you are creating an account on Fiverr, you're going to create an account as a service seller. Are you getting me? You are creating your account on Fiverr as someone who has something to sell. When you create your account on Fiverr as someone who has something to sell, so you now go to the section where it talks about AI services. That is where we are going to. And you are going to see that right here on Fiverr where you can offer AI services. And let me quickly show you, so that you can see, you see AI services. And when you come to Fiverr, you are going to choose the AI services that you can offer. And right now, like I'm telling you, right now you can write content with AI, you can even design flyer with AI, you can design logos with AI, you can even build a complete website with AI. So you can do a lot with AI. And there are so many companies that are looking for AI services, looking for experts that can do stuff for them using AI machines. And these are things you can do. So when you come to this platform, you're going to see a lot of AI services people are offering. A lot of AI services people are offering, and you can see that as you click on AI services, look at where it brought us. Add AI with the help of experts who get it work. So when you come to Fiverr, so what you are going to do is that you are going to list your services that you can do with AI. Are you getting me? You list your services, you design logo, you design flyer, you create banner, you do rebranding, you build a website. All of these things is what you can list on Fiverr that you can do with AI. You can see, as you are seeing on the screen right here, you can see text, you can see tech here, You can see design here and you can see video here. And like I said, there are a lot that you can do, and you can also see data and analytics here. You can see business and so many. Now look at the screen. You see AI development. Let's look at this. You see AI development, AI applications, AI chatbot, AI migration, AI modeling, fine tuning, and AI actives, and so many and so on. And you can see when you come to the data, you can see data science and ML, and you can see data analytics, data verification, and data animation. And when you come to the business, you're going to see AI consulting, which you can even use AI to do consulting stuff for client, for businesses, for brand. You see AI strategy, AI content editing, AI custom prompting writing, AI lessons, AI voice systematic, and AI text to speech, and so on and so on. So there are so many that you can actually do with AI. So the strategy is, when you come to this place, you look for services that require AI services. Are you getting me? When you go to a section of the tags, that is the section of AI development, you are going to see AI services that you can offer. Is AI development, AI applications, and all of that. When you look at these services that is listed below AI services that you can offer as an expert, you pick the one that interests you, you pick the one that you are good on, then you go to Fiverr. As you are on Fiverr, you list that particular service. Let's, for instance, you are into tech, and as you are into tech, you are good with using AI to develop websites. You come to Fiverr, you list it that you are a web developer and you can do all of these things with AI. Now, when you list it, you are going to make it clear what you do, what you offer, things you do, the benefit of anyone that is getting your services. Are you getting me? When you list it, people will now go ahead to help you, and you go ahead to use AI to run all this stuff. So that is advantage where you now comes in using AI to make money on Fiverr. You look for services just as this on the screen right now. You look for the one that require AI services. You list it as your gig on Fiverr. When you list it as your gig on Fiverr, then you now go ahead to use AI to complete up those jobs. Are you getting me? It's very simple. You use AI to complete all of those jobs you listed on your Fiverr as a gig. You can list AI development, AI applications, anything you know that you can do with AI. You come to Fiverr, you list it that these are the things you do, and you do all of these things with AI. And when a client come over and hire you, you are getting paid for what AI is going to do for you for free. You are getting paid for what AI is going to do for you for free. So that is just the amazing thing, where you can now make money with zero skill on Fiverr. All you just need to do is taking advantage of AI and offering services that you can do with AI. And another thing, another strategy, number two strategy I want to give to you is that when you come to Fiverr, you can make money on Fiverr with zero skill. And how will this one happen? When you come to Fiverr, create an account as a service seller. You have stuff that you sell. When you create an account or you create a gig, when you create account on Fiverr, you list your gig, list everything that you can do. It can be graphic design, it can be programming, it can be digital marketing, it can be video animation, whatever skills, whatever. It can be backlinking, building backlinks, doing SEO services, anything. List any gig, anything that you know that you can do. Either you can do it, either you cannot do it. Don't bother about that one. But the thing is that if you list all these gigs, it could be that you don't know anything about them. All you need to do, you do drop servicing. We call it drop servicing. You look for people who can do those stuff. If you cannot build a website, you cannot develop a website, you cannot do an SEO, you cannot build a backlink, you cannot do graphic design, you cannot do digital marketing, all of this stuff, you don't know how to do it. You have zero skill on those tough, you have zero knowledge on those area, you don't need to bother yourself. All you need to do when you come to Fiverr, list your gig. When a client come, when a client hire you to do any of those gigs, you will search for people who are skillful, who can do all of those services. Are you getting what I'm saying? You look for people who can offer those services. You go ahead, you add them, you give them the project proposal, how they can do it, and when they do it, you pay them, you use from your pocket to pay them upfront payment. Once they deliver, you come to Fiverr, you deliver to your client. You are doing all of these things with zero skill, with zero knowledge. All you just need to come to Fiverr, get a client, go out of Fiverr, give someone the work. When the person do it, you come, you take the job, you come to Fiverr, you submit to your client, and you make your money. You get your percentage, and the customer, the expert who did the job, get his percentage. Everybody go home smiling. This is just the amazing two strategy that you can use to make money on Fiverr with zero skill. Number one, offering your AI services. Number two, if you are not expert on anything, just look for people who can do all those things. Come to Fiverr, list as many that you can list them. Any client that comes in, you just pick those client, you deliver the project to someone who can do it. Then you come back to Fiverr, you deliver to your client, and you are good to go. Your client pay you on Fiverr, and you cash out your money, you settle the person, the expert that have done the job. This is just a simple strategy that you can use to make money on Fiverr with zero skill. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, share your idea, your experience, how you have been, your journey so far on Fiverr. Have you tried Fiverr before? Has it worked out for you before, or it has not worked out, or right now you are struggling on Fiverr? Don't forget to leave comment at the comment section of this video. And if you have not subscribed to Online Hustle YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel, so that when I make videos like this, YouTube will get to notify you of my new upload. So I will see you again in our next video.